In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut video from the middle section in Canva. This is really useful if you have a long clip and there's a part in the middle you don't want, like a mistake, a pause, or something that just doesn't fit your final video. First, make sure you already have your video added to a design in Canva and that it's on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. That timeline is where you'll be doing all of your editing. Go ahead and click once on your video in the timeline so it's clearly selected. You should see a colored outline or highlight indicating that the clip is active. Now move the playhead, which is a small vertical line with a handle on top, to the point where you want the unwanted middle section to begin. You can drag the playhead slowly to the left or right and use the preview window above to watch and find the exact frame where you want the cut to start. Take your time here. The more precise you are, the cleaner your edit will look. Once the playhead is in position, right-click directly on the video clip in the timeline. From the menu that appears, select the split option. Canva will now cut your video into two separate clips at that exact point. Next, drag the playhead to the point where you want the unwanted section to end. Again, use the preview window to play and pause until you find the right frame. When you're happy with that spot, right-click on the clip again at the playhead and choose split one more time. Now your original video has been divided into three segments: the beginning, the middle section you want to remove, and the ending. Click on the middle segment, the one you want to cut out, to make sure it's selected. Then look for the three dots icon, usually located above the timeline or near the clip options. Click on those three dots to open the additional options menu and then choose delete. Canva may show you an on-screen confirmation or update the timeline visually. Simply follow any on-screen prompts that appear to confirm the deletion. You'll see that the beginning and ending clips now sit next to each other, with the unwanted middle section removed. Press play to preview your video from start to finish and make sure the transition between the two remaining parts feels natural. If needed, you can adjust the edges of each clip by dragging them slightly to fine-tune the cut. And that's